All right, so credit cards are a way to borrow money to make purchases. Here's how they work. Credit limit, number one. When you get a credit card, the bank or the credit card company gives you a maximum amount that you can spend, called a credit limit, okay? Making purchases, number two. You can use the card to buy things up to your credit limit. When you use your card, the bank pays the seller on your behalf. Number three, the billing cycle. Each month, you receive a statement showing your purchases and the total amount that you owe. This is called your balance. Number four, the payment. You must pay at least a minimum amount by the due date to avoid late fees. If you pay the full balance, you usually won't pay interest, okay? Maybe they might even give you a little bit of money as a reward. Happens to me. If you don't, the remaining balance, it acquires interest, which means you'll owe more over time. Now, interest rates. Number five, the bank charges interest on any unpaid balance. This is usually a percentage called the APR, the annual percentage rate, okay? Number six is rewards. I just finished saying it. Some credit cards offer rewards like cash back or points or purchases, which can be a bonus for using the card. So using credit cards it's a responsibility. It can help you build a good credit score, which is important for future loans.